This is 8.1b of algebra. Okay, so now we're going to take polynomials and we're going to add them. So a nutritionist studied the U.S. consumption of carrots and celery and of broccoli over a 6-year period. The nutritionist modeled the results in millions of pounds with the following polynomials. So for carrots and celery, we've got this polynomial right here. And for broccoli, we've got this polynomial. So you can either add them up and down or sideways. Okay, let's start with the sideways version. So negative 12x cubed plus 106x squared minus 241x plus 4,477 plus 14x squared minus 14x plus 1,545. Okay, so what I would do, either with shapes or underlining, go through and mark which ones are the same. So I'm going to mark the ones that are x cubed by underlining them. Well, there's not an x cubed in the second one. I'm going to zigzag under the x squared. And I've got an x squared over here, so I'm going to zigzag. And I'll do a wavy one under the x. And we've got an x over here, so wavy over here. And I'll do a dotted line under the constants, just the numbers. And over here as well. So I'm going to combine the things that I marked as being the same. Okay, so there's no one to join with that negative 12x cubed, so he'll go out front. Okay, now I'm going to join the zigzag guys, right? I need to put it in standard form. Remember, that's when you start with the highest degree and go smaller. So it helps if you pay attention to the exponents as you go and don't just do them randomly. So 106 plus 14 is going to give us 120. So this is plus 120 x squared. And then I've got, for my wavy ones, negative 241 plus a negative 14. So that's going to be a negative 255. So negative 255x. And last, my dotted underlined ones, 4,477 plus 1,545 gives us 6,022. So plus 6,022. And there's our answer. If you want to do the up and down method, we would do negative 12x cubed plus 106x squared minus 241x plus 4,477 plus, and then on my second line I'm going to put my second polynomial. Make sure you match them up, okay? So I don't have anyone that has an x squared, so I can't put it there, but I can put my 14x squared here, right, and minus 14x plus 1,545. And then I could add these. So I'm going to add up and down. So there's no one to add with my negative 12x cubed. I can add the 106x squared plus 17x or 14x squared, which gives us 120x squared. Then I've got that negative 241x plus a negative 14x, which gives us a negative 255x. And then when we do the 4,477 plus 1,545, we get the 6,022. So I would choose whatever method you like best and go for that. So now we're going to subtract. When we're subtracting, the one big difference here is that we need to distribute the negative. Okay, so this stuff's going to stay the same out front. But then we need to distribute the negative in. So if this starts out positive, it's now going to be negative. So negative 4m squared. When we distribute in here, it was a plus m, so now it's a minus m. And it was a minus 12, so now it's a plus 12. Okay, and then you can combine. You could do the up and down way, or you could just do the sideways way. So I'm going to underline this guy. I'm going to zigzag this one. I'll wavy this one, dotted line, and dotted line. So There's no one to combine with my m cubed, so out front I get a negative 4m cubed. Then I gotta look for m squared. I've got an m squared, but no one else to combine with, so minus 4m squared. Then look for just my plain m, so I've got negative m plus a negative m, which is a negative 2m. And then lastly, my numbers, I've got 9 plus 12, which gives us 21. So plus 21. Again, you could do the up and down way if you'd like. Since it was already written sideways, that was a lot easier. And there's your homework.